Today we have Dr. Beasley's Bead Hero Ceramic Spray, $29.99, a simple spray and wipe sealant.
How's it going, good friends? Brian from Apex Detail. Today I am with Chris from Dr. Beasley's, and we have a treat for you today. We are going to take a close look at Bead Hero.
So Bead Hero is a spray ceramic that is focused not just on beads, but on the slide angle of those beads. Because what we want here is not those high and tight beads, because high and tight beads turn into high and tight water spots. What we're focused on here is slide angle. So we want these beads to be fast beads that are going to fly off your paint, and while doing so, they're going to take contaminants and debris with them, and that is how we make beads our heroes.
I already had the pleasure of playing with the product, and I can tell you, you are going to love the ease. We have a test panel here. If you want to use a product, I can highly recommend, yeah, sure, you can wash your car and protect it. I recommend full decon, wash, iron remover, clay, even a paint correction, at least a cleaner polish. Bring out the gloss, clarity of your paint, protect it with beads. We're going to prep this panel.
As mentioned many times on the channel, to get the most out of your detailing product, put time into prep. In this case, a proper wash, decon, and at least a cleaner polish. We will have to skip the polish today, but we have a nice squeaky clean panel to start with here. Let's get protecting. Bead Hero was engineered to add robust water beading and extreme gloss with just spray and wipe ease.
Okay, so we have the left side of the panel here masked off, and we're going to keep the right side here clear and clean so you get a nice 50-50 shot. And Chris here is going to take over and show you how to apply it and explain application.
Application is about as easy as it can get. I mean, come on guys, when you're looking at the ease of use, this product is off the charts. So we want to be fairly generous and liberal with our application. We don't need to see it running down the panel necessarily, but I want to get a very nice even mist over this panel. And then I'm going to come back. And again, you have a very long working time. The beautiful thing, this is a water-based product, so if it does dry up on you, no big deal. Just come back, re-emulsify it with some more product, and we'll pull it right off. Now, I prefer a 2-towel takeoff, so I kind of do long linear strokes just to kind of pick up as much as the product as I can. And then I give it a flip, come back the other way.
And guys, you can see how it evaporates, no streaks left behind. Very easy to apply.
I mean, when it comes to ease of use, off the charts. There's no doubt about it. And the beautiful thing, again, what we're focused on here is not only creating beads, but beads that are going to fly off the surface. That's what makes this product unique, is that we are focused on getting those beads off the surface and taking those contaminants with them as they go off the surface.
And what do we have to expect when it comes to, does it help with water spots?
Absolutely, because after all, I mean, our whole thing is, you know, a lot of people focus on contact angle when we're talking about water beads and water spots. Well, what I like to say is high and tight beads make high and tight water spots. What I want is not the beads to sit on the surface. Even if they're nice and upright and look great, I don't want them sitting there, because if that water evaporates, it's leaving minerals behind. So I want that bead either to get to a certain angle, or I want that bead to get to a certain mass, at which point it is going to fall off the panel. More importantly, as it is rolling off the panel, it is going to take contaminants, dust, and debris with it. So this is going to keep your car looking cleaner longer, but also help you avoid water spotting.
I'm from Pennsylvania. We are notorious for water spots. Hard water deposits, calcium, limestone, clay. That's music to my ears. Okay, we have it applied to this side of the panel. Cure time, let's talk about cure time. What do you recommend?
So we want this coating 2 hours undisturbed, and then we want it at least 1 day dry. And then ideally, we would leave it for 2 weeks, no washing, hands off, and all that kind of stuff. But the important part here is, again, 2 hours untouched, and then one day we want it dry. And then we're ready to go.
Okay. We'll be back. We're going to let this cure.
And when fully cured, one of the first things you'll notice is the slickness.
I can tell you guys, just as I have experienced before, the slickness, I guess the best way to describe it is a silky smooth feel compared to the grabby clean area. Okay.
Does it live up to its name, Bead Hero? Well, let's take a look at the water behavior. And now the unprotected area. And just by lifting the hood, you can practically dump the beads right off. Now, unfortunately, I don't have my stuff here to do a proper torture test, but I will take care of that in the future as I pick up more of the Dr. Beasley products and show them to you in great detail. Believe me, it won't wash off in 1 or 2 washes. For a quick recap, the headlines of the product or the idea behind the formula: produces fast sliding water beads to help prevent water spots, creates a slick, ultra reflective finish, wipes off effortlessly with no streaking, and its durable hydrophobic properties. That will do it for this short demonstration. I will have a link down below if you want to look into it further and take advantage of the link and the Apex discount code. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.